Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again with another unboxing video for this Wednesday. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Keep on rolling. And I do have a discount code. It'll be in the description. I think it's like Stout 79 or the Stout or M Stout, but it's somewhere in there. But it'll be down below. Every month you guys will get some goodies from international places. Every month delivered to your doorstep. You can also pick and choose. I do believe. Last time I was on the site, it's been a minute, but they got a really cool setup. A lot of good munchies they got out. Like I said, you want to try somewhere, something totally different you've never been, like Belgium, Mexico, Italy. And this month of Try Treats is gonna be Brazil. Yes, indeed. A lot of great football players out there. Let me tell you. I just can't believe I just totally forgot his name. But you guys know. Well, I know. We are coming from Copacabana. Oh, that looks a nice place to visit. Check out that beach and man, they should do a movie there. That looks creepy. I wouldn't mind visiting those mountains. Alright, Brazil. There's a little info on the back. And let's see. Oh boy. I've seen some weird thing. This should be interesting. This ain't weird. We got bacon. Turkada bacon. It's like little balls. Bacon. Several. It's gotta be one of their popular treats out there. Turkada bacon. Who doesn't love bacon? I haven't eaten bacon in a minute. I just totally took a break from eating bacon. Oh Jesus, what is this? Is that ham? It's like a piece of ham. Yoquitos. Whoa. Asado. Quieto di malo. Yoquitos. Sanchana. Sobro. Boy, I can't even pronounce that one. What do we got in here? Chips. So it's like ham flavored chips. Really interesting. I didn't eat dinner yet, so I'm just gonna put this to the side. But you guys gotta try it. And you guys could get a discount thanks to me. Ooh, look at that caramel. Ooh, that looks nice. Garato. Dolce di latte. Dolce di latte. Alright, what is this? It's like a bonbon. Sanho del something. That looks good. Okay, I don't want to squeeze it. Oh yeah. Mr. Ballet. What are those? Candy? Oh, they look like peanuts. Definitely can't eat peanuts anymore. But they got a list. We'll show it then. Oh boy, I can't pronounce that. I don't want to disrespect. But this says Garato something. I can't. Sorry, guys. Alright. Oh, look at these. Oh, these are probably some good, tasty Nestle Passate Tempo chocolate filled wafers. Amigo. Lamo. Nice little pack right there. Da, 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 da. Oh, bananas. I know that picture. Gotta get your banana in. Got little suckers or Blanca. Beton. Dorado. So that must be a popular candy out by you guys. Latte. Cool. Something different to try later. And we got chocolate tea. Chocolate tea, the Nestle chocolate. And we got another one of these things. So that was a nice little selection. And like I said, every month you guys can get one delivered to your door. And give it a try. You never know what you're going to get. But like I said, I think they do have a option where you can make your own box. Don't quote me on that, but I might be wrong. But just in case, take a look down below at their website. Use my promo code. Save some money. You know, try something new every month. You never know what country, place, where you get them from. And without traveling, let it come to you. And these will be interesting, the chips. They got the hand flavored. Cool art, graphic art. I like the crocodile. And lizard, not too sure. We got bacon. Oh, bacon. Here we go. It's a Tempo extremely popular cookie in Brazil. Bar chewy fudge. Oh, see, I was right. It's bonbon. 2 layers of chocolate cashew cream. Kind of like a hazelnut Brazilian treat. So these are white chocolate bonbons, that little roll. Well, that's pretty cool. Cashew nuts and white chocolate. I can't eat nuts, dang. And there's that one, the Salgado. Where are the pork rinds? That's what it reminds me of, pork rinds for these chips. Doesn't tell nothing about the flavor, so I guess it's a surprise. You guys could get surprises every month. Giveaway. And let's see. Oh, this must be recipe how to make their famous Brazilian chicken croquettes. So that's their recipe of the month. Looks good. Oh, they got some fun little facts. So that statue I want to see. That's the one. Uh-oh, we got some clues down here. Netherlands, Europe. A lot of people out in Brazil. Alright, got the Brazil edition. So YouTubers, thank you guys for watching. Give the video a thumbs up. Sorry for the long video. But you guys be safe and take advantage of the discount code. See ya.